friends! Today, we're going to learn how to simplify fractions. Let's get in. Sometimes fractions look big, but we can make them smaller and easier. This is called simplifying. To simplify, find the biggest number that divides both the numerator and the denominator. That number is called the greatest common divisor, or GCD. Then divide both the numerator and denominator by that GCD. Let's try this together step by step. For example, let's simplify 8 over 12. The greatest common divisor of 8 and 12 is 4. Now let's divide both numbers by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. That gives us 2/3. So the simplified fraction is 2/3. Great job! Let's try one more example to make it super clear. For example, let's simplify 9 over 15. The greatest common divisor of 9 and 15 is 3. Now divide both numbers by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the simplified fraction is 3/5. So remember, to simplify a fraction, find the GCD and divide both numerator and denominator by it. Now it's your turn. Try simplifying these fractions. Simplify 12 over 16. What do you get? Take a moment, you can do it. The answer is 12 over 16 simplifies to 3/4. Now simplify 15 over 20. What's your answer? Think carefully, remember to divide by the greatest common factor. The answer is 15 over 20 also simplifies to 3/4. Great job! You're getting better at simplifying fractions. Let's quickly recap simplifying fractions. Step 1. Find the greatest common divisor of numerator and denominator. Step 2. Divide both by the GCD to simplify. And remember, always simplify fractions whenever you can. Great job today! Thanks for learning with Bright Stack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.